It's day two of a trial in Teller County where the sheriff is being sued by the ACLU over alleged violations of Colorado's immigration policies.
Tonight, what a lieutenant said in court today about her role in dealing with undocumented migrants in the Teller County Jail. Good evening, I'm Bart Bedsole.
And I'm Heather Skold. New testimony in the trial of the Teller County Sheriff is shedding light on how his jail is helping deport undocumented immigrants. Sheriff Jason Mikesell is the only sheriff in Colorado with an immigration agreement with the federal government.
That agreement is now being challenged by 6 taxpayers who claim it violates state law. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live outside the courthouse in Cripple Creek to explain what he's learned about this case today. Sean?
Yeah, Bart and Heather, Lieutenant Laura Hammond of the Teller County Sheriff's Office took the stand today. Hammond was previously allowed to investigate any potential undocumented immigrants who have been booked into the Teller County Jail. Hammond was hired by the Teller County Sheriff as a designated immigration official who could work with federal immigration authorities to deport any undocumented immigrants who were in the country illegally. Today, Teller County Sheriff Jason Mikesell walked back into a courthouse for another battle over how he helps federal immigration authorities.
Give before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
The first time he took the stand over detaining undocumented immigrants was back in 2018 in El Paso County.
The U.S. government says this person is a danger and that we need to hold them to find out their status or have a federal case against somebody. Why wouldn't I hold them for them and allow them time to pick this party up? Why would I just release him back on the street for something else to happen?
In that case, the judge ruled the American Civil Liberties Union, who was suing Mikesell, did not present evidence that the sheriff violated any laws. But that was before 2019, when it became illegal for a Colorado law enforcement from holding immigrants on immigration warrants not signed by a judge. Now, the ACLU is challenging Mikesell once again.
The office of the sheriff is not one that has unlimited powers. He has only the powers specifically granted by the legislature.
The group claims the sheriff is now violating state law by holding immigrants in his jail that should be released while facing unrelated state charges.
This program has very, very, very real impact. I've spoken to someone who posted bond for a family member. The jail took her money, said her family member would be coming out, and then waited around for hours, came back and said, actually, he's in ICE custody now. You're not going to see him.
The presiding judge here in Teller County is expected to make a ruling on this lawsuit tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live in Cripple Creek, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
All right, Sean, thank you.